A facelift can address almost most of the aging concerns because it's an anchoring principle, and when we open the face and we tighten the mask layer, it can address the nasolabial fold, it can address the drooping middle face, it can address the jowl, and when we do a brow lift, it can also address a drooping brow. At the same time, it can give you a tighter, firmer looking face. In the 40s and 50s, the tissue has just started or it is lexed well, where you can tighten it to an extent which can give you a better result. In 70s, 80s, when there's a lot of laxity and a lot of loose skin, the result which we can deliver may not last long or may not give you that much amount of result or appreciable result. So 50, 60, when you are active in a social life, you want to look more younger, that is the kind of main bracket where we get maximum demand for facelift. So normally we answer in an opposite way, that we give you a result which is 8 to 10 years younger than what you're having right now. But then of course your face is going to age over the period of time, and if you take care of your health, your lifestyle very well, the result is going to be with you for the long term. The most common fear or negative impact of facelift is a wind wash appearance, like the face looks very much tighter. At the same time, some patients also ask us to not to give you a very plastic looking face, and that is where the expert hand or the art will come into the picture, where is a subtle and a nice lift and not very tighter looking face. At the same time, you have to understand the facelift organ is the face. The face is a dynamic organ. The face is supposed to express, yawn, chew, there's a gravity, and there's the aging of the bone and the compartment. Whatever result you are going to see immediately, it can definitely go lesser and lesser over the period of time, not because of the bad surgeon, not because of the bad technique, not because of the bad threads. It is the organ and the procedure itself. The facelift is not about actually the changing who you are. It is restoring the younger, youthful look which you already had. And if you are really concerned about some of the laxity and the age of your face and neck, and if this is hampering your social life, then definitely you can contact my clinic, and we are going to help you out with all the details of the procedure and what we can do and what we can deliver with our knowledge of science and art. Thank you very much.